يستحب للولي إحجاج الصبي غير المميز. So you have a like below 5 or below 4. The age is not something which defines the intellectual capacity. Nowadays, I have seen some 5-year-old kids, mashallah, they have strong ability to distinguish between good and bad. If a child was non-discerning, يستحب للولي إحجاج الصبي غير المميز. So it is mustahab for the guardian to take this child, it's mustahab, and perform Hajj with him. وكذا الصبية غير المميزة. And the same thing goes for a girl who has not reached the age of puberty and not reached the age of discerning. وذلك, okay, how سيدنا? بأن يلبس ثوبي الإحرام, make him wear the 2 garments of ihram. For the guys, obviously. For the girls, there's no specific garments. ويأمر بالتلبية, and he would tell them, please do labbaik Allahumma labbaik. And if he does not know, so he commands them, do talbiyah, that means make it your intention that you are going to do this, and we are going to do the labbaik. وَيُلَقِّنُهُ, dictate him, okay? Like for example, say with me, labbaik, we will say labbaik, like the way we do in Hajj. We have all this group standing in front of us, and I say with me, he says, yes, we are ready. Uhrimu, I am becoming muhrim. They will say, Uhrimu, كذا حجة الإسلام قربة لله تعالى. قربة لله تعالى. Labbaik, they will say labbaik, Allahumma labbaik, Allahumma. So this is called dictating. If he was able to do, if he was if he had some problems, he could not say by himself beside anyone dictating him. إن كان قابلا للتلقين وإلا لبى عنه. Okay, so if he was able to do talqeen by dictation, like the baby, you see, how can you say to the baby say labbaik? The baby will say, well, kind of cry. That's not labbaik of the baby. You can, it's mustahab to take that baby and do Hajj, wrap him with 2 cloths, and do the intention on his behalf, and carry him with the tawaf, and carry him with the sa'i and Safa and Marwa, and pray on his behalf the 2 rakat. If you can't do dictation to that baby or that child due to some reason, then you say labbaik on their behalf, niyabatan, as a representative. Okay, then what? وَيُجَنِّبُهُ عَمَّا يَجِبُ عَلَى الْمُحْرِمِ الْاجْتِمَاعُ, then to make him avoid whatever is prohibited on a muhrim person. وَيَجُوزُ أَنْ يُؤَخِّرْ تَجْرِيدَهُ عَنِ الْمَخِيطِ. This is for those who are coming from Iraq, and those days there are some problems. It's not even a practical nowadays. It is permissible for that person to delay removing the stitched cloth until they reach the area which is called fakhr. This is for certain reasons it was done before. إِذَا كَانَ سَيْرًا بِذَلِكَ الطَّرِيقِ, if he was traveling from that path, the way those people who Iraqis, they come, that route has this area, it's a miqat, but they don't have to take off their clothes. Okay? وَمَا بِحُكْمِ وَإِذَا كَانَ سَيْرًا وَيَأْمُرُ بِالْإِتْيَانِ بِكُلِّ, and he commands him to do whatever he's able to from the rituals of Hajj, and whatever he's not able to, he represent his the child. وَيَنُوبُ عَنْهُ, niyaba, representation, فِيمَا لَا يَتَمَكَّنْ, in things the child cannot do it. وَيَطُوفُ بِهِ, if it's a baby, you carry him on the hand and do tawaf with him. Or if it's a child, you can hold his hand and do tawaf with him. وَيَسْعَى بِهِ, similarly, sa'i between Safa and Marwa. وَيَقِفْ بِهِ فِي عَرَفَات, take him to Arafat with you. وَالْمَشْعَرْ, Muzdalifah. وَيَأْمُرُ بِالرَّمِي, and if he's able to, in قَدِرَ عَلَيْهِ, if he's able to pelt the shaitan, then he commands him to pelt the shaitan. وَكَذَلِكَ صَلَاةُ الطَّوَافِ, similarly salat of tawaf, and then he shaves his head, and similarly does the baqiyat of a'mal manasik al-hajj.